Good morning, I'm Jan from VeloMobileWorld.com. Last Thursday I uploaded a video, it's called Function of Direction, and a lot of questions came up and I want to answer them in a small video. So let me walk quickly through the comments. So there is a question from Chris Parcheval. I hope, Chris, I pronounce your name proper. His question is, if you discover the wheels are toe in or toe out, I presume that adjustments need to be made. Am I right that steering rods need some adjustments? How this is actually done? So let's go to the workshop and I make a short video how that's done. So here I am beside Snoek, yes, and I will try to show you how you can modify the toe in and toe out. So what you do, you put here a key on. This is key 10. I have to admit that I do it with one hand and one hand filming, so that's not that easy. This one, this little tiny nut here, is counter force this one, so it will not deblock. It will not, will not get loose. And great, there's the key inside. So what you can do is these two you get off each other, and I will get some parts here. Toe in, you need to make this one shorter, and you have to do it left and right. If it's a lot, then you have to check if these ones are not bended because of an accident, because it cannot be that much. But mostly it's maximum one turn, and then again you tie this one back with the keys and put some, it's very helpful to put some Vaseline here, because this is galvanized steel. We cannot get them in stainless steel, so they will rust a bit. So put some Vaseline, that's much better for not getting rusted. So I have also a second question from Luftschwimmer. I'm not sure if that's the name or a nickname. Great video, thank you. Maybe make a video how to make your handlebar straighter. Well, we go again out of the workshop and I will show you. So here I have an DF. And we have made here, I don't know, yeah, you see it. We put some red stones in our pavement all the way until there. So we know what is a straight line. So what we do, we cycle over the straight line. We look here, yeah, and there, to keep that one in line with the red line. So you need to find somewhere a red and white line on the street. And I keep the steering like this, and then I see, okay, I go straight over the line and the steering is straight. In case that's not the case, that it's stay a little bit like this or like this, then you can adjust it. At the DF it's quite easy, and at the SL as well. So here we have, I went to the workshop back and put the bicycle, this DF, upside down. If you want to adjust the steering, you untied this one here with an 10 key, and this one with the you keep there. You untied it a little bit, so there's still resistance on your steering. And then you can go back on your line, and you drive straight over the line, and you push a bit the steering perfect until it's perfectly aligned. And this one you tight again, and you really have to make sure that you don't tight this too much, because there will be tension on that little Ichus ring, and your steering will go very heavy, and this will makes that you cannot really cycle your Velomobiel. And there is another question from Mark van Driel. Nice video. A suggestion for other subjects. Do you already have instructions about crank removal or replacements? Well, this video I will make later on, not this time. And let me see, there is a Rasvas race. So Mr. Rasvas race, I don't know his real name. He said I have a faster method, and he sent me a little video, so I will put that video, a short segment here in this one, and I will put a link in the description, so you can go to his channel to see the whole video. Yeah, there's a third questions about which is the blue stance. We use some platforms to lift up and down our stance, and I will show you also in the workshop some more details. Let me see. Well, that's the questions I really would like to answer today in today's video, and yeah, let some comments behind if you like this setup. I'm thinking about to make a kind of toolbox talk, some shorter videos with really hands-on how to fix things, how to maintain your bike, and I try to figure out a way what is less time consuming, because the other ones are like really nice and fantastic, but it's really time consuming to make them, and I cannot keep up with making them in that high quality. So I'm thinking to make a kind of simple version, but yeah, let comments behind if you like these ones. Let comments behind of topics what you want to see, and yeah, please subscribe here somewhere. Subscribe, thumbs up, that will help me a lot to come higher in the YouTube ranking, in order more people will see this content. And yeah, thanks, have fun, see you next time. So here we have this one, this code. There are for 700 kilometers. We modify this one quite strongly. We cut off this area for the wheels. We made it shorter. Here at the back end, we made it shorter, and made some supports with some foam for the velos here in the front. Yeah, we have. In the beginning we didn't have them, but after a while I said, okay, we need to have them. They're, yeah, as I said, not cheap, but if you work day by day with it, it's really worth the money. And now we have 7 of these, so yeah. If you liked our video, please consider the subscribing of it. If you want to let some comments behind with some ideas from other videos, just put it in the comments. We have also a website, velomobielworld.com. Have a look. Have a great day. Bye bye.